everybody. So today we are going to be playing this game called Ragdoll Engine. And I bought this like punch thing or like whatever. And then look, you can like push people. Oh, I didn't push it, him or her, whatever. Yeah. And it only costs 15 Robux. And yes, I did change my character. Wait, what? Okay. I did change my character. What are you doing? So mean. Jeez. Okay. I don't know what. Oh my god. I just ran over. Okay. How do you get up? Okay. What am I supposed to do here anyways? Oh my god. This person has such a big head. Okay. Finally, I pushed someone. Jeez. I fell. Why? I really do not know how to play this game. But I just bought the punch because I saw most YouTubers use it or have it. I couldn't. Wait, let's see what this thing is. What is this supposed to do? Wait, what? What's happening? Oh my god! Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god. Why did that happen? Why does that have to happen? Why? I really like my character. I have a cloud shirt and some jeans with another face, a different face. So yeah. Okay. Oh my god, why does that keep happening to me? Okay. There's a pool. I don't know how this game really works, if you know what I mean. I guess if you jump, you die or I guess. And it takes a pretty long time to get up. Woo. Yeah. Oh my god. Did I die? Oh. Swimming. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Yes, queen. Okay. Oh. Woo. Do you die when you swim? Wait, no. Do you die when you go, underwater and jump? Okay, I don't know why I did that. Okay. I had a lag. Okay, oh good. Oh, I want to push. I died again. Or whatever. Fell. He's ginormous, but at least I pushed him. That's literally the only thing that matters. Also, right here, as you can see, above my push button, I have a cooldown that's 15 seconds. But how do I push? Wait, what do you mean, how do I? Haha. How do I push? One sec. Okay, so basically, another person bombed me, and it's 200 Robux. But I only got a couple Robux, so I didn't want to spend it on just that. So I pushed both. Oh my god! I want to go up there. Oh my! Now let's go down. Woo! Woo! Oh my! What's happening? Wait, I'm gonna try and slide. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my! It was like a slide. It's so cool. Haha. Yeah. I don't really know why this game is made like this. I guess you only get to fall and stuff like that. But I don't know. What's this? Oh. It takes a long time to get up. So I don't know what this thing is for. Why is there a gate? Oh my god! Is that a bomb type thing? I need to get out of here. I'm getting out. Oh my god! Okay, at least it got me out. No, I want to go on that parachute! Someone, oh my god. Phew. Okay, I'm gonna doll. Okay, I'm gonna do that so I don't like, fall out. Haha, I pushed you. Now I'm gonna doll. Oh my god, look at him. He looks so dead. No, I'm gonna go through. What? Why is my character doing that? Oh my god, this is not fair. Okay. I don't know how I went out of there. I went through the parachute thing. But yeah, I don't really know. What are these people doing? Okay. I want to push one more person. Let's try and find someone that's still. Okay. Yeah, exactly. What are those? Are those oh my, why do they look so big? Haha, I pushed you. Ha 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 ha. Oh my god, what happened? Carry me? What in the world? Okay, I'm gonna try and push him. Haha, pushy. Pushy, pushy, pushy. Oh my god. Why did I doll? I accidentally dolled. Skinny legend, and I am tall. Whatever, dude. Oh, sheesh. Oh my, what are they doing? Okay, I don't know what this game is even for. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry that my speaker, oh my god, was even bad. It keeps turning off, which is the worst. Because yeah. Okay. Jeez, ow. Okay, let's try and go on the top of there. Okay, I don't know how tall this actually really is. How tall even is this? What? Oh my god. Oh my god, wait, it's actually raining outside. If you hear that sound, sorry, it's raining. Okay, you know what? This is as far as I can go. I'm too lazy. 3, 2, 1. Wee-oh. Yes, queen. Now I look like this. I look like I'm looking into the stars. If I press wait. Okay. Now, oh my god, what's actually happening? Okay. Okay, how do I fall? Now I'm just looking into the falls. Okay, I need to push someone. And also I heard that there's a lot of drama in this game. So I'm not hearing any drama for now. So yeah. Okay, sorry, I had to itch. Okay. Let's see. What is this person doing? Okay, okay, how can I, okay, I'm gonna push this person. Yes, queen. Yes. Wait, what? How did I fall? Okay, you know what? Okay. I'm gonna push her. Push. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna push this person. I pushed him before. Yeah, I pushed him before. I kind of recognize his character. Wait, how did he get up there? Okay, whatever. What is she doing? Oh my god, what is she doing? She looked like she's shaking her booty. Why is she doing that? Can I do that? Ah, stop, dude. Move. Oh, you just have to jump. Then you look like you're shaking your booty. Okay. Hey, you're so mean. Jeez. Okay, it takes a long time to get up once you get pushed. Okay. Haha. Oh, I pushed like 2 people. That's great. I pushed 2 people. Yes, 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 queen. Okay, I want to go up these stairs. Wait, actually, I kind of want to go up these stairs, but I don't know how long this is. Oh my god, until there? Oh my god. It's gonna take forever. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the top. Okay, so I made it to the end. And yeah, I do not know what to do here. I'm gonna wait till someone like gets to the edge, and I'm gonna push them. So, yes. What is this person doing? Okay, I tried to push him, but it did not work. No, don't you dare put that bomb on me. How can I push you? Yes, queen, you're dead now. Now, bye-bye. You can't do anything to me. Oh, my. Oh, my God. What is happening to me? Why am I like this? Oh, my. When I put it in FP, it looks so bad. Oh, my God. If you get dizzy, do not watch this. Oh, my. But why do their position have to be like that? Like, it looks so bad. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna try and push this person. Haha. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I played this game before. I don't know. Oh my, that push was actually very big. I haven't tried everything. I'm pretty sure this is like another cannonball thing. Okay, oh my god. Oh my god, that launch is really high. Do I have to walk back? What's this thing? Oh my god, wait, that actually puts you very fast. Wait, I'm gonna try and doll. Oh my god. Yes, queen. Okay, I'm gonna try and push this person. Haha, noob. I forgot the lyrics. Cool banana. Cool banana, cool banana. Move! Jeez. Why aren't these people moving? Okay, finally, I can try. Let's see. Oh my, that's oh my god, oh my god, did I just beat the world record? Like, there's like lines over here, and like, oh my god, I went to the really back. Oh my god. Wait, oh my god, that's actually so cool. Wait. Oh my god. Wait, oh my god, wait, actually. Hopefully people watch this. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god. I'm actually so happy that it like did that. But yeah. Okay. Okay, push this like creeper person. I love Minecraft. I do not want to get over there. Oh my god, you can see me walking. Okay, I'm gonna try and go over here. Okay. What? Oh my god. Oh my god, I went out the map. I think I won the world record, guys. I definitely did. I definitely did. Oh my god. Oh, I spawned it up here. Yes, queen. Okay. How am I? Can I get up there? How can I like get up there? I can't get up there. Okay. Woohoo. Oh my. Okay, I am doing this pretty fast. Whoa. Okay. I just like spent 14 minutes doing the most dumbest thing ever. Oh my god. Why does this game have to be like this? It's like, wait, what happened? Oh Oh my. Oh my god. It looks like I'm looking into the stars. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, now let's see who I can push next. Okay, I'm gonna push this person. Haha, noob. My earring fell into the ocean. Wait, what? Wait, your earring fell into the ocean? Oh. Wait, no, that's from TikTok. Oh. Yeah, that's from TikTok. Or is it? Or did his earring actually? TYPO. Okay, I do not know what that means. If it's a lingo. Sorry, I do not know every lingo in the... Oh my god, she just got pushed. I do not know every lingo in the world. Oh my. Woo! How did I fall? Okay. Okay. Ugh. I can't push anyone today. I can't believe... Okay, you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna try and give her a message. Okay. I wanna get on. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try and push someone. Oh my god, wait. What's happening? No! Oh my god, thank you. Okay, please do not make me fall. Please. Please. Great! Great! Ah! I hate my life. Why? Okay. Why? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try and jump. I'm gonna try and go higher. How tall even is this? Okay, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Let's try and go over here in 3, 2, 1. Wait. What if I can... Never mind. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my god, my feet. I don't even think I can do that in real life. I'm not really flexible in real life, but yeah. I will do a face reveal soon. But not yet, because I'm not ready. Because I'm, yeah, you know. Yes, queen. Okay. Okay, there's this, like, other ragdoll. Ragdoll, you know, oh my god. Ragdoll game. So I'm gonna go to it right now. Okay, so guys, I couldn't find the Ragdoll game, but I found this game. It's like Piggy, but not like really, cause not, you know, it's not the real Piggy. But yeah, let's just see what happens. Okay, I do not know how this game works. I'm pretty sure it's just like Piggy, like normal Piggy. Whoa! Oh my! How did? Not fair. Not fair. I did all of that. Oh my god, girl! You just almost pushed me off and I almost had a death of pain. Oh my god, stop! You literally distracted me with your type of Roblox clothes. I do not want your clothes. That's on period. Chapter 4 has been selected with 4. With 4 what? Are we gonna start this game or what? Oh! Great. Okay, so guys, I basically do not know what is this game gonna start or is it not? Because I do not know. Okay, I'm gonna try and go over here. Okay, oh my god, I'm on the building, yes, queen. Okay. I'm gonna try and go on that building, whatever that building is. No! Okay, so basically, since that game will not like load, I'm just gonna play this game because you know it's a game. Oh, I hate this game so much. Like seriously. I'm gonna see if I can like, try to, try and like win. There's like a lot of stages which I cannot do. Okay. Oh my. Oh. 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 No! Well, I'm sorry to say this, guys. Wait. No. I'm sorry to say this, guys, but bye, guys. I hope I see you later.